Alright, so there's an issue with Microsoft Rewards where this button doesn't turn, this button here, doesn't ever turn blue. Unfortunately for me, it does turn blue on this account. So I can't really demonstrate it without already opening up developer tools and pausing execution. But basically, it's going to ask for your location data, and after 3 seconds, it should turn blue. It does turn blue for me, but it doesn't for other people, and it hasn't on my botted accounts. So I thought I'd make a video showing how to turn it blue. Basically, to open DevTools, it's Control-Shift-I on Firefox. I don't know how to do it on other things, other web browsers. You can also get it to it from more tools, web developer tools. So once you open that, you should be greeted by the inspector. And the inspector basically allows you to change the HTML elements on the web page. So I'm going and selecting this, and then this is basically just selects the entire area of elements, and I have to go and find the actual button, which is this one. It's got the ID of redeem, checkout, review, confirm, and it's got this disabled thing. If we check the whole script for the element with this ID, there's another section. So there's this, and then there's this. And this script here, basically, after 3 seconds, it should turn it blue. It doesn't always, though. So there's this status here called disabled, and if you just double-click the disabled and remove the whole thing, just delete it, it should turn blue. And then you can click it, and it works just fine. Now, it'll turn blue anyway for me. And then you can go and do that whole thing just fine. And it should go to the next step without issues. And I've actually redeemed the rewards on a couple of accounts even when that happened, so it shouldn't be an issue at all. So that's how you do it. Basically, go Control-Shift-I to open it up, inspector, element selector, you have to find the element. When it's disabled, it'll select the whole frame of elements, and then on that element, you can find the disabled attribute and remove it. Another thing you can do is you can use a script to click the button, which should work. This one here, I'll leave it in the comments or description. This one here should click it using a MouseEvent, which is a lot more stealthy than just clicking the element. But if you run that in the console section, refresh, and then while it's still that, you can run that, and it should click it whether it's disabled or not. And I'll put this script there. It's already set up with the right element ID and everything. So I'll leave that in the comments. That's how you do it, and it should allow you to cache it out just fine. And I don't think you even need to enable, like I had to disable, or I tried to disable geodata. I don't think you have to. You can have that enabled or disabled, whichever, and it'll still work. So you don't actually have to give up your location. It just forces through it, and for some reason, Microsoft servers don't check for that. So I hope that helped some people, got them their $5 or whatever. Yeah, that's it.